Alright, Jody from Bear Dog Off-Road Adventures. Today we're going to review the new ultimate steering upgrade from our friends over at BroncBuster. Stay tuned. Alright, so the ultimate steering system kit includes of a Hoss 3.0 steering system. You can see the WT here. I'm assuming that means Wild Track. It has their aluminum housing in pre-installed from BroncBuster. It's already been pre-programmed. Even though we do have the Ford Performance tool, we shouldn't have to use it because this should be pre-programmed to go ahead and make it fit right on in. Now, of course, if you're using these, you have to use the Ford Performance Hoss 3.0 tie rods. So it comes with those, boot, some clips, these little protectors here, each one. You got one for each side here. These things are quite a bit beefier than what you're going to find on the factory Bronco. But also, in addition to the ultimate steering upgrade, we also elected to get some of the BroncBuster tubing. So some of you all may know, we had these on our vehicle before, but they were for the stock steering rack and stock tie rods. Living in Chicago, they seized on there. We couldn't get them to come off. So, but living here in Arizona, that shouldn't be an issue. To be on the safe side, I'll probably just only put them on when I'm really going to hit a serious trail, like the Rubicon or maybe back way to Crown King or something like that. Something to where I know it's going to be flexing and turning hard. So I'll probably put these on and off as needed, and definitely use some anti-seize. So very shiny, very pretty. Can't wait to get those things good and dirty. And then, of course, that's pretty much it. You know, we've got an appointment over at Deutsch Off-Road. As always, Todd, I'm sorry for mispronouncing that, here coming up here in the next couple of weeks with this and the rest of the drivetrain upgrade that we've already covered. So that includes your front drive unit from Ford Performance with the 513 gear, the ring and pinion for the rear, 513 gear for the rear. Will have to be rebuilt, as well as the bearings and seals for that. The new Yukon axles that we bought with the studs already pre-mounted. You guys have already seen that. And we'll be swapping over that BroncBuster diff tube off of the current FDU to the new one. So we should have a pretty good solid build. So I'm hoping everything will go all right. And last but certainly not least, the rock crawler truss kit, or I should say triangulated 4-link kit, which also includes a truss that will help beef that rear end up pretty good. It's probably about as solid as a rear end as you're going to get on the factory 44 without upgrading to a Dana 60. So should be getting all the stuff good to go here soon. As soon as we get it in, we'll definitely put some videos up for you guys to look to see how we like it and see how it works. But otherwise, we'll let you guys get back to what you're doing, and just wanted to show this to you real quick so you know what all was going on. Take it easy, guys. Peace. Give you guys a little bit closer look here. The tie rods, the steering housing that we mentioned before. I can probably pull this up to show you the bushing. Yeah, you can see the bushings in there. Alright, and some other things that came in the care package, so to speak. Some nice decals. Of course, the braces as well. Alright, quick shout out to Tyler and Amy for getting these out to us as quick as possible. We ordered these during the Memorial Day sale and got a good deal on them, so hope you guys took advantage of that as well. As always, please thank you for hitting that like and subscribe button. We appreciate you hanging around. Peace.